So essentially the choice for Apollo Tyres for going into Chennai was not a very difficult one. Chennai had all the makings of the basic ingredients that we wanted already present. Many of our big customers like Ashok Leyland, Ford, Hyundai are present there with big capacities. The presence of a port infrastructure, the talent pool availability, and on top of it, the state government came in with all the prerequisite essentials which are needed to set up a mega project. There was a lot of proaction from their side. The policies were transparent, simple, easy to fathom. The approval making process and decisions were made in quick time. And we were made to feel wanted to come to Chennai. So all these things came together, and for us, Chennai has been a very good decision. And in hindsight, I can actually say that it's been a fastest ramp up for Apollo Tyres in its manufacturing history so far. In a matter of 3 years, our plant is already hitting terminal capacities, and our investment in Chennai, we have a great sense of pride, a sense of satisfaction, and in fact, this is testimonial to the point that we are now already looking at expanding our capacity in Chennai, and we are looking at investing another 1,500 crores in that very facility. Additionally, over the manufacturing facility, we then decided to set up one of the 2 global research and development centers. Our technology was fragmented that time in India. It was in various plants. We concentrated all of that into Chennai, and again exactly for the same reasons that some of which I mentioned earlier: the availability of the talent pool, the basic research infrastructure in Chennai. One has also seen R&D centers set up by other leading manufacturers like Mahindra and Mahindra, for example, which is close to our plant. So we have made a big investment in setting up a global R&D center in Chennai. It's taking shape in terms of content, quantity, quality, and providing cutting edge technology to Apollo Tyres.